If you are a owner of any local or online business and want to promote your business, then email marketing is the best option for you. This Yellow Pages software is one of the best all-in-one software to extract data from Yellow Pages. This software works automatically. Just put desired categories and the location in the search box to let the software do all the hard work. Then software will get quality business contact along with the email address, business name, phone number, map, fax, country and even website. The cost of software is only one time and very affordable price, and there is no monthly fees forever with lifetime license to use in 2 computers. I will explain all step-by-step details in this video, how to and where to get this software and install on your PC, how to set up and configure this software. Also, I will explain how to scrape all data for any selected category and location, and I will provide all the links to get this software in description below. So please watch this video to the end to get all the details. And if you haven't subscribed on my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so I will be notified you first as soon as I upload all my new videos in futures. So how you can get this software? Please watch the video to the end and you will find out all the details. I have provided a link to download this software in description below. Click that link to download and then install to your PC. And once you install, click to launch this software. Once you launch this software, you will see the huge interface, all the details here. Then you can click to desired country. There are so many countries available: US, Canada, Germany, UK, Italy, Singapore, South Africa. Any country you select, then page will be reload. I'm selecting US. First select the Yellow Pages website and desired country. I have selected US. Then once you select the country, page will be reload and then click setting. You don't need to do much thing in setting. Just leave the way it is. Don't use any proxy. And then click on data. Any details you want, you click that. I do not want the fax, so I do not want that. If you want extract emails from the website, that will extract email from all individual website. So if you do not want, you can leave unchecked, because if you check, the software process will slow down, but you will get more emails. So I will leave unchecked for now. Then click OK. Then you input your desired keyword. For example, so plumber and location Boston, MA. Then click on find. Then click on get data. You have received so many pages right here. Then you click get data. This is the trial version, so you only can get data from 30 searches. You are getting data. You will be unable to export the data to the folder you selected. Just for the trial version. If you want to work for this software, you will need to buy full version. So once data all scraped, you can click to stop. Then whatever data you select all, clear selection, delete selected, delete all, export data, our website, open maps URL, open any URL, so select all, Then you click to export data. This is disabled because this is only a trial version. So if you want to enable this option, export data, you will need to buy this software full version. To click right here. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.